Zwei. That's good. Ho ho. That's good. On. On.
Là, t'as éliminé qu'un petit pain. J'ai Kevin. Là, t'as éliminé qu'un petit pain.
This is the first of the 3 trips today by the France aeroplane, or the CASA, bringing evacuation toolkits, 120, and also the tarpaulins. We badly need tarpaulins and the tents.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yeah.
Oi.
For the first one.
Okay.
You don't tell who can we. We'll do a second turn.
Okay. All right. Big plane. Sorry, no juice here. No juice. Sorry, no juice here.
Today Sunday, just give next.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
What we are trying to do now, temporarily, in the interim, to give them tarpaulins and tents so that they can go and start their life again, waiting for the rehabilitation process in terms of rebuilding their homes, as well as the rations, which is very needy. We really need them, more rations. You know, most of the root crops, according to the surveys that was conducted, root crops that have suffered a lot during the cyclone, most of them they no longer can use it now. So the ration that is coming now straight away will be distributed to them today and some tomorrow.
Ah, c'est pire que les courses à la maison.
Là, c'est des petits bras, quoi.
Ah baby.
Oh. Gaffe aux mains avec ça. Ouais, si tu les prends par les coudes, tu les fais couper. Ouais. Le chef. Ah bah moi je facture tout. Moi je facture tout ce que je transporte.
Allez, prends le relais.
Allez.
Slowly. Et bon, en panique. On va défiler les mains.
Ah ce blague. Oh la vache. Allez, one.
Ok.
Oh qu'est-ce qu'elle était bonne celle-là.
So we can bring 5 tons maximum on this aircraft, and the capacity here in Lambasa is 4 tons. And it's a good aircraft for this mission because it's a short landing aircraft for the runway. Our job, and we are very, very happy to accomplish this humanitarian missions because it's a very good welcoming in the Fiji and in all the Pacific. We are here for that. It's our first mission to the aid of the population in Pacific, as well with the coordination with the other military nation in Pacific. So we enjoy to perform that, and it's a very good mission for us to participate to the efforts to help Fijian people.